I own a private jet company that is not only focusing on private jet charter flights, but we also offer the opportunity to invest in private jets. Well, you have unlimited freedom. You take the decisions on where you want this journey to go. You decide on how things go in the company, so that's magical. My biggest pride is having this company operating now for 1 year, and we're highly successful, better than we could have ever expected. And that I have the opportunity with my company not only to operate private jet charter flights, but also give back to the community. So we support a lot of charity projects. Go for it. It's never been better to open up a company, never been cheaper. There are millions of opportunities. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, just find an evolution to the wheel. To trust my gut, to trust my soul. Deep inside you always know what is right or wrong, and take chances. Life favors the bold.